Here is Asmita Anil Bhingarkar. I am presenting Java project on the topic of Java networking. So today we are studying about Java networking. Firstly, we discuss about what is networking. When the computing devices such as laptop, desktop, server, smartphone, tablets, an eternally expanding arrangement of IoT gadgets means Internet of Things gadget such as camera, door locks, doorbells, refrigerators, audio or visual system, thermostats and various sensors are sharing information and data with each other is known as networking. Let's see about Java networking. Java networking refers to the use of Java programming language and its libraries to implement network communication protocols, enabling applications to communicate over the internet or local network. It leverages Java's powerful Java.NET package to provide a set of tools or socket programming, HTTP communication, and other network related tasks. Next point is network protocols. Following are some common network protocols in Java programming. First is TCP, stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TCP or Transmission Control Protocol allows a secure communication between different applications. TCP is a connection oriented protocol, which means that once a connection is established, data can be transmitted into two directions. This protocol is typically used over the Internet Protocol. Therefore, TCP is also referred as TCP/IP. TCP has built-in methods to examine for errors and ensure the delivery of data in order it was sent, making it a complete protocol for transmitting information like still images, data files, and web pages. Second is UDP, User Datagram Protocol. UDP or User Datagram Protocol is a connectionless protocol that allows data packets to be transmitted between different applications. UDP is a simpler internet protocol in which error checking and recovery services are not required. In UDP, there is no overhead for opening a connection, maintaining a connection, and terminating a connection. In UDP, data is continuously sent to a recipient where they can receive it or not. Next point is Java networking terminology. In Java networking, many terminologies are used frequently. Following are some widely used Java networking terminologies. First is IP address. An IP address is a unique address that distinguishes a device on an internet or a local network. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It comprises a set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or a local network. Second is port number. A port number is used to identify different applications uniquely. Third is protocol. Network protocol are the reason through which a user can easily communicate with people all over the world and thus play a critical role in modern digital communication. Fourth is MAC address. In simple words, MAC address is a unique number that is used to track a device in a network. Fifth is socket. A socket is one endpoint of a two-way communication connection between two applications running on a network. Java networking classes. The Java.NET package of the Java programming language includes various classes that provides an easy to use means to access network resource. The following are the classes covered in the Java.NET package are given: Cache request, cookie handler, cookie manager, datagram packet, inet address, server socket, socket, datagram socket, proxy, URL, and URL connection. These are some selected classes covered in Java.NET package. Next point is types of communication in Java networking. First is unicast. This is one-to-one communication method where a single sender communicates with a single receiver. For example, a client connecting to a server to request a web page. Second is broadcast. In broadcast communication, a message is sent to all devices in a network. For example, broadcasting a message to all clients on a local area network. Third is multicast. The multicast communication sends message to a specific group of devices instead of sending messages to all devices in a network. Next point is basic steps in Java networking. First is establishing a connection. In a TCP model, the client must connect to server by specifying the server's IP address and port number using a socket object. Second is sending and receiving data. Once a connection is established, the client and server can send and receive the data. This is done using input and output streams. Third is closing the connection. After the data exchange is complete, the connection is closed using socket.close syntax and server socket.close syntax for client and server respectively. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.